I have this board that I got from Target. It was for $3. And the front side is a whitewash, the back side is a stain, and I'm going to stick with the front side. At the Dollar Tree, I found these beaded necklaces. They have roses on them, and they came 2 in a pack, and I'm going to be using both of them to trim the outside of my piece of wood. So I'm just using some hot glue to glue some of the roses down on the board. I'm starting on the left side here. And you can also use some E6000. And once I had that section adhered, I then just took my scissors and cut off the excess necklace. And I repeated that until I was all the way around the outside rim of my board. Now when I was at the top of the board, there are holes for the jute hanger, and I just made sure I did not cover those. And you do not have to glue down every single rose. I just did a few of them. Once everything was adhered, I then took some Wise Owl white primer. Now I'm using the primer because the necklace is plastic, and this will just hold better, and I was going to go with the color white anyways. So I just covered that really well, and I did give this a couple of coats. Now, if you like the pink or the red, you can just leave it that color. That is totally up to you. Once that was fully dry, I then took some Wise Owl black paint and a very small art brush, and I just lightly dry brushed on top of the roses so that it just grabbed the raised areas of the rose, and this kind of just gives it a little more dimension. And I really love the black and the white together. I have this wood heart, and I'm not using it on the project. I'm just using it to trace the heart. And now this was kind of a afterthought, or I would have just done all of this together before priming the first time. But I had another set of necklaces in the heart shape, and I decided to trace the heart in the center of the board and then go around that with the other necklace that I got from the Dollar Tree. It just has these small tiny hearts on it. Now you can certainly just leave it like this. I think the red looks really pretty, but I'm actually going to prime over that as well. And I'm going to give that 2 good coats. Once everything was dry, I just took my sanding block and I just gave it a very light sanding and just removed the dust. I have this decor wax. This is called Eternal. It's a nice gold color, and I'm just applying a little on my finger, and then I'm going to rub on top of the hearts. This is very easy to apply. It goes on very smoothly, and it's almost like a colored wax, and it's great for adding to any raised area or area of detail. So I just went around the entire heart with the gold. And I love how this looks. I have this Love Metal word. You can get them in a 3-pack from Dollar Tree. And I applied some white primer on that, and I allowed that to fully dry. And then I'm going to mix together some Wise Owl Snow Owl and some Wise Owl Republic Red to get this really pretty soft pink color. And then I'm going to paint my love word with the 2 colors mixed together. I added some E6000 to the back, and then I'm going to apply the word on an angle inside the heart. And then I just re-added the jute hanger back to the top of the board. Now if you want to add something nicer, add a couple beads to the hanger, use a colored jute, that would look nice as well. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy love sign made from Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.